राधे राधे मेरे भाइयों. To as it has been so many days, I have not uploaded any video, so I feel sorry for this. But now I promise I will upload videos regularly. As I was not uploading the video because I was not feeling well, and as well as midterms were going on, so that's why I was not able to upload the video. But now I will upload regularly, and this time I promise you guys. So let's see what is the question saying. We have to reverse a linked list. What the question is saying, as you can see, given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and return the reverse list. So I will take a test case to explain you. Let's see. As the linked list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So what the question is saying, you have to reverse this linked list. Wait, let me change the color. Yes. So the new linked list should be look like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As this before reversing, this was the head and this was the tail, right? But after reversing it, this should be the head and this should be the tail, right? So what are the things you can think about the question? So as this is the linked list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So you want to reverse this list. So first of what you can think, first you want this instead of 1 you want to write this as a 5, instead of 2 you have to write this as 4, 3 you have to write 3, instead of 4 you have to write 1, instead of 5 you have to write 5, you have to write 1. So sorry, how? So now as you can see, this is the reverse 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So if we able to store somewhere this all the values, and then we can use this to replace the values, so this can be sorted. So like as you can see, this, if this is a linked list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I want 5 here, I want 4 here, means from a starting only we want the digit from the last. So if you want to access the last digit in the first, what we can think of, first you can do like you can simply store all the values in an array. So 1 while traversing, so it will look like this. And if you reverse this array, so how the array will look like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now after reversing the array, you can simply put all this number into your linked list, just replace those value, because when you traverse the linked list, first the node will be here, so you can simply return from 5, 4, 3 to 1. So what you are taking here O of an extra space and O of 2 into n for traversing. So I do not want this extra space, I just want without any extra space you have to reverse the list. So how you can think of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when I was explaining you how the reverse linked list will look like, how it was looking 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? Means what the you means the 5 becomes the head, and after that the head we keep adding the previous all the nodes to that head, and then it's become the reverse of a linked list. So what I did, if I somehow reverse the list, this node means the connection, this will be the reverse list. First the node direction was left to right, but if I able to reverse this node, node you can say that pointer, so it will be reversed. So 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, then null. So means the idea you got is that if you able to reverse that node or that the pointer, then you can able to reverse those linked lists. So how we can do this? Question is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are the things you have to keep in mind while doing the reversal? So first thing, first what I just want to just reverse the list. If 1 is there, then I want like this, and if 2 is connected to 3, then I want this. If 3 is connected to 4, then 4 should be connected to like 3, and if 4 is connected to 5, 5 should connected to 4, like this. This you have to just reverse the list. So what you can do, you can simply reverse the that connection point, and the answer will be the reverse linked list. Okay, so and the first after 5 there was a null, right? And after before reversing, and this was the head, but after reversal this should be null and this should be head, right? So if at any point 1, 2, 3, 4 5. First, if you want to rotate the connection of this node, you need to reach at this node, because before reaching this node you cannot rotate the node pointer. You need to reach the pointer, then you can rotate only, right? So right, and how to access the pointer? If I am at 3, then 3 next will be this. 3 next means this is the 3 next. So if what we want 3 next should be look like 2. 2 next should be connected to 1, and 1 next should be connected to null, right? So this thing I want. So what I can do, 1 2 3 4 5. First thing was what we have to at head, we want null here. So first node you can take previous, which will be at null, because first I want previous, and current, which you want to traverse. Current will be at head, right? So what are the difficulty you will face? What I have to do, I have to just rotate the next one. Next is pointing at 2, but what you want, it should be point to is previous. So if you rotate the previous, so rotate the pointer to the previous. So 1 is rotating to previous, and previous is what, null. So can you traverse next? Because you have just rotated the pointer to its left, so you just lost the way to go to 2, because it was here only, and now you rotated to this side, so you lost the way to reach 2. So is this a good way? Because after if you lost the way to reach 2, you cannot traverse to the end and cannot reverse the list. So before changing the pointer, you have to keep access of the next also, so that you can go to the next. Because if you rotate this, you will not be able to go to the next part. Okay, so you need also a next pointer, which will be the next to the current pointer, right? So I will give you an idea how you can do. See, first the previous was what, null, and current was here. Previous was null and current was at 1. So current next should be what, previous. You want to rotate this, so the new linked list will look like null. Previous was here, and now you lost this way. So before rotating the list, you want a next, which will be the current next. Current is here. Now next will be pointing to here. Now you have access of the next pointer. Wait, let me change the color. Next is here, so you have access of the next pointer, and you can reach to here only, because you have to go to the next pointer only. You do not have to go after that next. You just have to move one pointer ahead of the current pointer, right? So that's why you've taken care of the next, so that you can reach to the next pointer. Now what I want next, after moving 1 to the left, next, now I want 2 should be connected to 1. So I need to keep track of the previous one. So I can simply move previous to the 1. Okay, and now current is at 2. Now next will be where? After current next. So next is here. So what I'm doing, current next should be previous. So this will be moved to this part. So now it will be connected to this. Now again you lost this thing. So can you reach here? Yeah, because I have next to the current. Next is always 1 ahead to the current. So you can simply move current to the next and previous to the current one. Now previous is here and current is here. 3 4 5. Current is here. Now next you have here, right? Current next should be 3. So it will connect it like this, and current will be again here, and next will be here, and previous will be here. And you have to keep doing until current not equals to null. Now after when current will reach here, previous will be here. So you can simply return the previous, and it will be your head. I hope you got the intuition how you have to rotate the list. So I will write the code too, so that you can use in while doing your coding. So first I need to take a node that will be your current. It will be at head, and a previous one that will be first at null. Okay, so what I will do, I will traverse the linked list while not equals to null, current not equals to null. Until this, what I will do, first I need to keep a track of next. So next will be what? Current next, so that I can go to the next one, because after reversing the list you will lost the pointer, and after this you have to change the pointer. So current next will be what? Previous, and you want to also previous to the move one by one time. So previous will be at current, and now current will be at the next, and then you can simply return previous will be head. So I hope you got the intuition. So time complexity will be O of n, and space complexity will be O of 1, because you are not taking any extra space. So I hope you got the intuition. Now I will be attaching the code into the description, and from today only I promise you guys video will come regularly. So I will be meeting in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Shri Ram.